This video is about Suboxone tooth decay lawsuits. The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the Suboxone lawsuits that have been growing with great speed in the last 2 months and update you on the new efforts to create a Suboxone class action lawsuit. For years, the manufacturers of Suboxone were aware of its harmful effects on dental health but failed to warn the public. It was only in 2022 that a warning was finally added. We're talking about significant dental issues here: tooth decay, tooth loss, infections, cavities, root canals, and crowns. Our clients, who used Suboxone before the 2022 warning, were left in the dark about these issues. Now they face the consequences. If you or a loved one has been affected, you might be eligible for compensation. Our team of experienced lawyers is committed to holding the drug manufacturers accountable for their negligence. The next step in all of this is a Suboxone class action lawsuit. This push for a class action stems from the growing number of individual claims filed against the manufacturers of Suboxone, who are accused of failing to adequately warn users about the severe dental risks associated with the medication. In November 2023, Suboxone lawyers petitioned the U.S. Judicial Panel on Multi-District Litigation to centralize all federal lawsuits related to Suboxone into one multi-district litigation. This move aims to streamline the pretrial process, making the litigation more efficient and increasing the pressure on the manufacturer to offer reasonable settlement amounts. The formation of an MDL class action is particularly significant in the context of these lawsuits, as it would consolidate cases from various federal districts into a single court, perhaps in Ohio, which plaintiffs have requested, the state with the most pending Suboxone cases. Such consolidation is expected to simplify and expedite the legal proceedings, providing a more coherent and unified approach to tackling the common foundational allegations shared across all Suboxone lawsuits, and put real pressure on the defendant to make reasonable settlement amounts to victims. In every Suboxone lawsuit, there will be a variety of legal claims, but the most critical among them is failure to warn. The essence of a failure to warn claim is that the manufacturer did not adequately inform consumers about the risks associated with their product. In the case of Suboxone, this resolves around a lack of alleged warning about severe dental issues, including tooth decay. This claim will be easier to make for Suboxone. Why? In many drug injury lawsuits our lawyers handle, the battle is the argument over whether there should be a warning. That issue is already off the table because there already is a Suboxone warning about tooth decay now. The strength of the Suboxone failure to warn claim is by the fact that the manufacturer has in fact changed the label. We don't have to argue about whether a warning label is appropriate or feasible because we have one. That makes a Suboxone lawsuit easier to win and easier to settle. We believe that the defendants in this litigation will be compelled to offer reasonable settlements to those who suffered. At our law firm, we're actively investigating these claims, ensuring that justice is served. We operate on a no-win, no-fee basis, meaning there are no costs to you unless we secure a settlement or jury payout. If you used Suboxone for at least 6 months and you suffered tooth decay, tooth loss, or other dental problems, you may be able to file a lawsuit and get financial compensation. Call us today at 800-553-8082.